My father, the Restoration Apostle Johnson Suleiman. This is your son, Apostle Vincent Nwokolo. You have told us that once upon a time in the journey of life, there are those that you must meet, and there are those that you must miss. I'm grateful to God for the day that I met you. Even today, I'm very thankful to God to have met you because I've not woken up from the testimonies that ensued. Not because of just what you represent, but because you allowed yourself to fulfill destiny, impacting lives and reaching down to touch people to raise them to the place of their destiny. In this season, among other seasons of your life, on behalf of my family, my ministry, and Sons of the Prophet Network Diaspora, I pray beyond wishes that God answer the prayer that you have asked of Him, in Him, and through Him, and do for you what you cannot do for yourself. Continue to soar on eagle's wing. Happy, glorious birthday, that time.